Well, hi, everybody, and good Tuesday morning. To meteorologist Travis Kleneski here. Have you got your shopping done yet? We are just 1 week away from Christmas Day. We are going to talk about that forecast taking you up to at least Christmas Eve and the 7-day. I'll even actually discuss what looks to follow Christmas Eve beyond our 7-day forecast. But how about the here and now today, where the skies have filled with some clouds out there? It's partly to mostly cloudy right now. And we'll keep with the mostly cloudy skies today. In fact, at times maybe even overcast. Winds will be relatively light out of the southwest. But notice a kind of a shift in direction to the north and west of the Tri-Cities, becoming more of a northwesterly wind. There's a very weak trough that's swinging through, bringing some of these clouds and that wind shift. But the winds will be relatively light for most of us today, a little stronger as you get away from central Nebraska, way out east and way out west, maybe a little over 10 miles per hour, but most of us under 10 miles per hour today. Some of those clouds will try to clear up overnight tonight, so it becomes partly cloudy instead of mostly cloudy later in the night. But here comes another trough. This one's a more significant one that will swing through here. This one will bring more clouds and some light rain to the area. I don't think we'll see a whole lot. Sprinkles, light rain. Not going to amount to much, but the reason I say it's significant is look at the wind speeds. Look at those arrows moving a little quicker. They're going to pick up. Those northwest winds behind that trough are going to increase in the afternoon and into the evening hours. We're talking 15 to 25 mile per hour winds, gusts to 30. And I think out west, those gusts might even get a little bit stronger than that. Some of the strongest winds will actually be out towards the panhandle of Nebraska, where there are some high wind watches in place out there. All right, how about today's temperatures? Well, despite the clouds around today, mostly cloudy skies, or at least partly to mostly cloudy, still relatively mild for this time of the year. Mid-40s to 50 degrees, 45 to 50 up there to the north. Again, Ainsworth still dealing with some snowpack there. That's holding down temperatures a bit, same for Broken Bow. There's not as much snowpack towards O'Neill and Ord, Albion at this point here. Out towards the west, there's still some snow around the North Platte area, so upper 40s. Even McCook's still a little snow on the ground there, so we'll go 50 there. Otherwise, as you get away from there, a little warmer towards Beaver City and Imperial, where there's not so much of any snow left on the ground. Partly to mostly cloudy skies. Tri-Cities area of Hastings, Grand Island, Kearney, upper 40s and lower 50s. Low to mid 50s in north central Kansas, including 55. Double nickels there in Phillipsburg, and off towards the east, we're looking at temperatures upper 40s and lower 50s with mostly cloudy skies. But here comes the all-important 7-day forecast. Well, tomorrow's temperatures look very similar to today across the area. Once again, I'd say mid to upper 40s, low to mid 50s for highs, including lower 50s in the Tri-Cities. The big change, though, is the big difference between today and tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to have to deal with a small chance of rain, sprinkles rain late morning into the afternoon. Doesn't amount to much. That's going to be very insignificant, but we will have to deal with the winds. They get rather breezy Wednesday afternoon. They'll be breezy to even windy at times Wednesday night into Thursday. Now the clouds will be clearing up here Wednesday night, so a lot of sunshine expected for Thursday. And despite that system coming through, we're only a few degrees cooler on Thursday, so looking at upper 40s to near 50. Similar temperatures on Friday, but without the wind for the first day of winter on Friday. That's what that snowflake indicates. It's the first day of winter. We're not actually getting snow on Friday. We'll see plenty of sun with upper 40s. Then another system, another weak cool front comes through Friday night. That does cool us back a little bit for the weekend, but right now we're still looking at above average temperatures. Average highs are 36 today and still in the mid-30s through the weekend here. So we're looking at temperatures that'll still remain about 5 to 10 degrees above average. There is going to be a small chance of rain, maybe a little snow mixed in Saturday evening. At this point, I think that will be very minor. We'll deal with a little bit of wind again on Saturday behind that frontal boundary. Sunday looking good, lots of sun back into the mid-40s, and Christmas Eve is on Monday. There's a small chance of rain. Right now, forecast models kind of split on this one. One is keeping us dry. The other one brings us a chance of some light rain, possibly mixing in a few snowflakes for Monday night, Christmas Eve night. At this point, if we see anything, it looks likely fairly minor, so I don't think we'll see a white Christmas. The chances of that are very small. Might be a little breezy again on Monday. Now let's go beyond Christmas Eve. We'll take you to Christmas Day Tuesday, and I don't have a graphic for this, so I'm just going to tell you about it. Right now, models are keeping things dry for Christmas Day Tuesday, and still in the 40s for the most part, so it should be a decent Christmas day. But following that, we're looking at a big weather pattern shift. We've been in this northwesterly flow for a while now, where we get these weak systems that don't bring us much moisture, and we've stayed relatively mild. Or we're going to shift towards more southwesterly flow heading into the middle and end of next week. A bigger storm system, a low pressure system, looks to come out of the desert southwest following the Christmas Day holiday on Tuesday. And this one will bring us what looks to be a pretty decent chance of some moisture towards the middle and end of next week. And it also draws in some cold air on the back side of this, which means we could be talking about some snow along with the chance of rain. And along with that, after that system moves through, it looks like we are going to get some colder air towards the very end of the year, just prior to New Year's Day. So things are going to change around here, reminding us that yes, winter is here, but for now, still some nice weather to enjoy over the next several days to come. And like I said, over the next 7 days, the precipitation chances look fairly insignificant. So there you go. There is your forecast for today and through the next week ahead and beyond. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Kleneski. Hope you all have a wonderful Tuesday. Enjoy the nice mild temperatures out there for today. Take care. God bless. Bye.